welcome back again, guys. So as I promised you that I'm going to teach you guys how to create a V2RAY file on HTTP custom. So let's dive into it without wasting much time. So first of all, you need to create your V2RAY account on any SSH website. Okay, so let's open our Chrome browser. We are going to use OpenTunnel.net. So OpenTunnel. So this is the SSH site that we are going to use. Okay, so let's find out with us. So we are going to an V2RAY file. So therefore, let's click on this in the top right corner, the three lines over there. These lines, you click on it. Okay, then you come in, click on service. Then you come down to V2RAY VMS. This one, V2RAY VMS. Let's click on the sign. Then you scroll down. So here there is some that are online. So use those that are offline. We are using those that are online so that we can get a stable or good connection. Okay, so let's choose any server. So we are choosing V2RAY VS server US F3. Okay, so you come and click on create account. So the username and the bug host. Okay, so for the bug host, I think there is a website that we can consult for, or we can go there for some of the bug hosts. So let's quickly rush to that site and get the bug host. So for now, let's type in the username over here. So let's type the username first. So the username, you can type anything at all. Okay, let's go for this and how to call it, the bug host. So let's search for this website, this one info. So the first one, this one, click on it. Last spots, stream now. So let's clear the ads. Click on the red button to close it. So the bug host, so let's swipe it to the left. So here is the bug host. So you click on this bug host. Before you get it, you have to swipe it to the left in order to get it. Else, if you don't do it like that, it is hidden, so you might not see it. Okay, so let's click on it. Let's click on it. Full of ads. Scroll down. When you scroll down, you see choose a country. Full of ads. Choose a country. So you click on it. Choose a country. Add it. Then you select Ghana. If you're Ghanaian, you select it. But I think there are a lot of this in bug hosts which are not made in Ghana, but still they work in other design. So select Ghana. They come and click on generate bug host. So connect or adverts. Let's click on it to generate. So after clicking on it, you scroll up. So you see a number of them, number of the bug hosts. So any of them that you like, you just choose. So let's use the first one, this one. So you copy it, adverts. Okay, so it. Then you take it to the OpenTunnel.net. Then the username that's right, so paste it at the back of here. So for the domain, or say you should watch an ad, let's skip it. Okay, the ad has been skipped. So here you have the domain which with the valid SSL, and we have the domain with the invalid SSL. So it has already been selected. The valid SSL has already been selected. So now just click on create to create this in the account. So let's click on create. Well, it said input, please input a bug host. A bug host is there, alright. So maybe it means you have to convert it to a proxy, an IP address. Okay, so let's go to this website and convert it to an IP address. So let's open it, open a new tab. What is the name of this thing? What is my IP address? So what is my IP address? So I'll put the link to this website in the description. So you are going to convert the host name, the back host, into an IP address. Okay. Why is this thing keeping wrong? Okay, so it is open. So you type or you paste this in here, the bug host. You paste it in here. Okay, so let's paste it. Good. Then you click on look up IP address. Okay, so it has converted the bug host to an IP address. So this the bug host and this the IP address. Okay, so let's click and hold on to the IP address. A pop-up menu comes, then we click on copy. So we click on copy link. Good. Then let's rush back to the OpenTunnel. The username, let everyone. Then paste the IP address, the barcode that converted to an IP address. Let's paste it. And let's click on create and see what comes up. Click on create. So it is loading. Let's see what happens next. Okay, so let's scroll up. It is done creating the account. So we are going to copy this one, http config into bracket 80. So you copy this one. Okay, so you can just click on copy to copy it automatically. So let's click on it. Good. Now it is copied. So let's move to the SSH HTTP custom, the app. Let's go there. So those of you who don't have it, you can go to Play Store and type in HTTP custom. The app will come, then you download this. So you come in, click on the three dots at the top right corner, this dot, click on it. Then you come to clear or reset config. Good. So we've resetted it to the default state. Now because it is a V2RAY file that we want to create, you come and check this button, V2RAY, then make sure this one too is checked. Click on it. Then you come to this part, come and click on it. Then you select V2RAY settings. So here you can press and hold onto the screen, then paste, or you come and click on this clipboard sign to paste it automatically. Okay, so let's click on the clipboard to paste it automatically. Let's click on it. So we've pasted it. Okay, so this is more like the HTML version. Okay, here it's more like the HTML version. So if you want to move to the real state, you can click on this button. So this is how it will appear. So if you want to make any changes easily, you can just do it. If you want to change this one, you can just copy and cut it, like highlight it and cut it off. Then if you want to change this one too, you can just highlight it and cut it off. Okay, so this is the IP or the domain address, and this is the port. Okay, this is the username, like the username, the everything, the password, everything is inside. Okay, and this is the host. Good. So let's go back. So now that everything is set, here after pasting, you don't really need to make any changes or do any kind of settings. Okay, so you just click on connect. After clicking on the connect, you come in, click on this side, the log, to check how it is going, whether it is connected or there's a disruption or something. Okay, so let's click on connect and see what happens. Then quickly move to the log. The moment it's connected, another will show. Finding ways to close it. Okay, so let's click on the log to be certain, or to be sure that it is connected. Let's click on the log. So you check down here. If it is connected, that is the right HTTP custom ready to use, meaning it is connected. Okay, so this is how to create V2RAY HTTP custom file. Very simple. Okay, so like the bug host, like I said, there are a whole lot of countries on over there. So when you go there, you just click on generate. It will generate a lot of bug hosts, and even in the that place on that website, there is another IP proxies over there. that you can get a lot of this bug hosts over there. Okay, so if you have any question or suggestion, you can just drop it in the comment section, and later in the future I will show you guys how to create a blogger account. Those of you who are interested in blogging, if you want to become a blogger, if you want to learn to create an app, later in the future I'll be showing you guys how to do everything. Okay, because I'm into a whole lot of things. By God's grace, since there is life, you have to be learning all the time. Okay, so watch out for more. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe and share with your friends. God bless you all.